Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Machine Learning on AWS Learning Path. This is an introductory level learning path designed to help you understand machine learning. Machine learning in recent years has become very much a mainstream technology, being successfully applied in many different industries. Many of our current day activities are empowered behind the scenes with machine learning technology, ranging from fraud detection to medical diagnosis. With this in mind, we'll introduce you to the basic machine learning concepts and terminology. You'll then get to learn about the fantastic Amazon Machine Learning Service. The Amazon Machine Learning Service provides visualization tools and wizards that guide you through the process of creating machine learning models without having to learn complex machine learning algorithms and technology. Following on from this, you'll be able to put your knowledge to test within a hands-on lab in which you will forecast flight delays using the Amazon Machine Learning Service. Next, you'll have the opportunity to test your knowledge and skills by taking our Machine Learning Introductory Skills quiz. The learning path proceeds with a closer examination of deep learning and neural networks. Here we provide you with two labs, where you'll get hands-on experience with neural networks. The CPU versus GPU lab highlights the performance benefit of training a neural network on a GPU. The MXNet Styles lab demonstrates an interesting use case in which a neural network can be utilized. Finally, we finish the learning path by providing an exam which helps you test your knowledge and readiness for performing machine learning on AWS. That concludes our learning path introduction. We really do hope you will enjoy and learn from this content.